Happy holidays.
Внимание, это видео строго 18+, однако если вы младше 18 и очень хотите посмотреть, я не несу ответственности за это интернет, тут каждый сам за себя, LOL.
What's good, internet? Welcome back to another episode of Angliski Like a Boss. Today we're gonna discuss something very important again, but trust me, this time it is actually something a lot of Russians do, so I feel like it'll be helpful. Because I've been hearing that a lot, and it's a no. No, you cannot keep doing that. Sorry. So let's talk about V and W. These are two completely different sounds. And what's different about them? It's actually all about what you do with your mouth. So let's look at this sound first. Letter V, sound V. Okay, so just like our Russian language, our Russian sound V. If you want to get super technical about that, your upper teeth touch your lower lip. V, alright? V. Now this one, totally different, because in this one, lips do not touch. W. W. Every time you see this letter in the word, it is V. Every time you see this one, it's W. No exceptions. Vodka. Vodka. We don't say vodka, it's something else. I don't know, it's not a word. Okay, V. Whiskey. Whiskey. Lips do not touch. And it's easy to remember. Upper teeth touch your lower lip. Lips don't touch. Vape. Weed. Vape. Weed. Okay? Same concept. You kind of want to feel this vibration. Vape, alright? Vape. Vape. Make it obvious. Make it clear. We want it nice and clean. Vape. Weed. Lips don't touch. Weed. Alright? And now I'm gonna give you a couple of sentences to practice with. Of course. And again, I would not recommend bringing those to school. I just wouldn't. Number 1. Victor likes weed and whiskey. Victor likes weed and whiskey. I mean, who doesn't? Victor likes weed and whiskey. Number 2. William vapes almost every day. William vapes almost every day. Number 3. Vanya is drinking vodka. He will definitely be late for work tomorrow. Vanya is drinking vodka. He will definitely be late for work tomorrow. So drill them. Honestly, it's the same shit as the previous video because there's nothing you can do but catch yourself and then make it a habit. But I feel like this time it's easier because there's absolutely no exceptions. So, just practice. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Let me know in the comments below. Happy holidays. Thank you for the love on the previous video. It means a lot. So, subscribe to my channel. And also subscribe to Falashko's channel. And let's make our English better. Because we don't need bad English. Fuck that.